motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Okay, so 420 subs, one of the funny numbers. I told you that when we get to 420 subs, I would show you my fridge. And that's what we're gonna do today. Here we go.
Are you ready?
My neck hurts. Yes, the legends are real. My fridge exists. Yay, here's the proof. What do you mean you want to sit inside of my fridge? Can you believe this, guys? Big mistake, my friends. The contents of my fridge are of the most high level of secrecy. 420 subs is not enough. You're going to have to subscribe to unlock the next reveal. So do it. Do it now. No pressure. I don't know how I let 69 pass through, but I must haven't been in a meme mood right back there. It's unbelievable. It's inexcusable. I'm so sorry.